Welcome to episode 175 here on BSE. It is Monster Friday and I'm tasting Hydro Purple Passion. When I first started BSE, I was a little iffy on the Hydro line, but after episodes 135 and 162, I've become a big fan. It seems like a lot of you are too, so let's get right into the glass and see what this one is like. On the nose, this smells like the aroma in the doctor's office when they're drawing Grimace's blood to test them for diabetes. I mean, this smells so intensely of grape candy, of really cheap grape soda, and maybe a little bit of violet. Let's go to the palate. On the palate, this is medium bodied with low to medium acidity. Like others in the Hydro line, this tends to run a little bit sweet, but unlike the other Hydros I've tasted, this is candied to the point of absurdity. I mean, if it wasn't for the caffeine, I think this would be appropriate for 8-year-olds. I'm gonna score this 79 BSE points, and I hope you have an energetic day.